Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file to look over. It's going to be printed on vinyl, which I know nothing about. But this, to me, is not going to work. It's overlapping. Those colors might show up. The other thing, the black circle doesn't look like it's in the center. So let's do this. Let's move this black circle out of the way. Let's group all this, Control G, and hit P, put it in the center page. Now let's put P and put that in center page. Of course, we're going to go to Object, Order, in front of Page. I'm pretty sure it wasn't in the center of the page at first. So let's do a little test. Some people, and I'm one of them, can just see things like that. So this is 126 away, where that's only 111 away. You know, it's off by 1/10 of an inch, which, you know, some people may be a big deal. So let's move that black out of the way. Go ahead and group all this together so it'll stay. Hit P, put it in the center page. And that's why I draw in the center of the page. So then we're going to go, you know what we're going to do? We're going to play around with the hearts before we put that back. Because the hearts are really what's messed up. And you can see it right there. So what we're going to do is ungroup this. And we're just going to get rid of 2 of these hearts. We don't need them. Now, I want to bring in indexing lines and hit P, putting the indexing lines in the center of the page. And you can see that the first heart isn't there. It's pretty good up top, but it's off on the bottom. And also, if you notice, it's rotated to almost 360 degrees, so it's off there. So we're going to move this heart right to the center. Now we're still off, and that really wouldn't matter. But if you're going to go the extra step, go ahead and go the extra step. Have that click on a node. And if you zoom in here and you don't even have to take that handle, get close to here. Put it right on the indexing line. So if you start off better, you're going to be better. Now, if you look, we're at 360 now. So that's a good thing. Let's control. Let me check your control. You need to change this, and everybody does. I'm a big fan of that. Control D and make a duplicate. Change the center rotation of that center and rotate it 120 degrees. Now look at our inside of our cross, or of our hearts. They're right on the money. Now let's bring in this black, hit P, go to Object, Order, front of page. We'll actually have to take the hearts and go to Order, in front of page. I think that's going to look a lot better. Now, the only concern is this. I'm not going to get into it. It's a little, to me, visually, it's a little bit off. You know, and I'm not going to go there on this video, but if we break the 13 elements apart, it's off just a hair right there, because I can just see that the B is closer than the L. And I just don't particularly like this style of text-to-path. When you do text-to-path, you can change the orientation of the letters. If you're going to do the top, I think you want to do the bottom like that. Anyway, I hope that gave her some ideas, and thank you for watching.